How to fix Face ID not recognizing your face in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through some quick and easy steps to fix this issue. Let's get started. First, clean the Face ID sensors. Check the top of your iPhone for dirt, smudges, or debris on the TrueDepth camera. Gently clean it with a soft, lint-free cloth. Update your iPhone to the latest version. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap on General, then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it to fix potential bugs. Swipe back to Settings. Scroll down Face ID and Passcode. Tap Reset Face ID, and then set up Face ID again. Add an alternate appearance. In Face ID and Passcode, tap Set up an alternate appearance. This is useful if you often wear glasses, hats, or change your hairstyle. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and either volume button until the slider appears. Slide to power off, then turn your phone back on. Contact Apple support. If none of these steps work, the issue might be hardware related. Visit the nearest Apple store or use the support app to get help. And that's it. By following these steps, your Face ID should start working smoothly again. If this video helped, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more iOS tips. See you next time.